Hey guys, today's video will be about wireless earbuds called Phil T1XS. I want to start with the price. You can buy them for only $50. Moreover, there is a coupon code on Amazon with extra 15% off, so the final price is only $42. Phil T1XS is a budget wireless earbuds. However, there are features that are very good, such as Phil Plus app support, in-ear wear detection, 3 low latency modes, dual noise cancelling microphone. In this video, I will test latency and microphone quality. Let's start with unboxing and design. On the box we can see how the earbuds look like. There is also the image of charging case on the back. By the way, the charging case is another feature of a Phil T1XS. We will talk about it a little later. You can also read about main features of the new earbud on the back of the box. Inside the box, there is company card, quick start guide, user manual, USB Type-C charging cable, silicone ear tips and ear wings. By the way, I recommend you to read quick start guide. There is an instruction about correct wearing method as well as connection to smartphone. As I already said, charging case is one of the main features of a Phil T1XS earbuds because it is very compact. The size of charging case is 65 by 27 by 23 mm. The case is made of glossy black plastic. There is charging indicator on the front and USB Type-C port on the back. On the top we can see Phil logo. Inside the case there is left and right earbuds. The size of one earbud is 26 by 15 by 25 mm. It has silicone ear tip and ear wing. There are ear tips and ear wings of different size in the package, so you can choose the most comfortable for you. The earbud also has LED indicator on the top. The first ENC microphone is next to LED indicator, while the call microphone is on the inside. The touch control button has another Phil logo. I cannot say that build quality of charging case is excellent, because you can hear the creaking sound when the case lid is open. However, the earbuds themselves are well made. In the user manual, we can read about how to control the earbuds. As you can see, Phil T1XS has easy and full control mode. The full control mode can be activated on Phil Plus application. So using touch control buttons on the earbuds, we can play pause the music, switch to the next or previous track, volume up and down, enter or end the phone call as well as reject the call. There is also monitor mode. What is that? This is a special mode of Phil T1XS earbuds, which allows you to hear the surrounding sounds while listening to music. Another feature of Phil T1XS wireless earbuds is Phil Plus app support. In the app we can see the battery level of the left and right earbuds, as well as charging case. When you take the earbud out of the charging case, there is an inscription in the app that the earbud is worn. You can also read the manual how to control the earbuds. I have already told you about this. It looks like there is no way to change the control functions. There is also equalizer in the app. You can enable DSP sound quality enhancement and choose equalizer mode, such as bass, original, or treble. If you want, you can use the advanced EQ settings. There are other useful functions available in the app, such as full control mode, low latency mode, and wear detection. I activate them all. Moreover, there are wear detection settings and touch control settings. You know, even the expensive flagship earbuds don't have many functions and settings, not to mention the budget ones like Phil T1XS. I'm really impressed. As you have already seen, the new Phil earbuds have 3 low latency modes. Let's check them out and start with the video mode. As you can see, everything is fine. I didn't notice any big delays. Now let's play the game. I have already turned on the game mode, and the manufacturer promises extreme low latency for gaming. You know, it looks like low latency modes really work. It is really comfortable to play games in these earbuds. Fealty One XS is equipped with dual microphone, and manufacturer promises the best call experience. Okay, let's check it out. Hey guys, this sound I recorded on microphone of a Fealty One XS earbuds. I am in the studio, and there's no background noise. Hey, now I have turned on the street noise simulation on my computer, and it's really noisy. Can you hear me well? I hope so. Okay, it's time to talk about sound quality. Before listening to music, I recommend you to enable DSP sound quality enhancement in the app and choose equalizer mode from bass, original or treble. I prefer more bass in music, so I will choose bass mode. You know, the sound quality is amazing for $45 wireless earbuds. Talking about battery, it is about 6 hours on a single charge with medium volume level. The charging case adds 3 more charge cycles for 18 hours additional battery life. That's very good for this compact charging case. In total you have 24 hours of battery life. You know, I didn't have high expectations for Fealty One XS earbuds because they cost less than $50. However, after full review, I'm very impressed by them. Actually, nothing says about their budget price. The earbuds have extra ear tips and ear wings in the package, long battery life up to 24 hours, good microphone, and the most important is Feel Plus app support. In the app you can change the equalizer mode, low latency mode, and even the touch button sensitivity. I think that Fealty One XS is the best wireless earbuds under $50 that I have tested in 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like it.